Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about uninstall Microsoft apps in Windows 11 via PowerShell. Part 1. Even home users can learn PowerShell and have quarter and have greater control over Windows. Building a PowerShell script to uninstall Microsoft apps. To uninstall Microsoft apps will give you the most control over most control over what gets removed. It also makes removing a bunch of Microsoft apps a quick and easy task. So save the script for the next time you install Windows 11. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.